The FOIFKIN M9 gaming PC case combines natural wood elements with metal, creating a stylish yet elegant look that suits any modern workspace. A standout feature of this case is the 7 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans, which provide excellent heat dissipation, ensuring your components stay cool during intense gaming sessions. Its spacious design supports ATX, M-ATX, and ITX motherboards, along with ample room for a 360mm cooler and a graphics card up to 400mm in length. The case includes a 270-degree panoramic glass panel offering a clear view of the internal components while maintaining a sleek appearance. For connectivity, the front panel provides a Type-C port, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, as well as audio and microphone jacks, covering all essential input and output needs. FOIFKIN ensures customer satisfaction with a risk-free purchase policy, offering support to resolve any issues with the product.